came with a bracelet. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, hit subscribe, like, all the stuff the YouTubers say. Please do. It helps the channel. In my hand is a Patta Air Max bracelet. I never really wanted one of those, but what I did want was, yes sir, the Air Max 1 by Patta, and I'm a huge Air Max fan. 95, 97, 98, not so much no more, as I feel like I outgrew those silhouettes. But something about the Air Max 90 and the Air Max 1 kind of still feels good for me. As you know, Patta did a lot of collaborations with Nike and Jordan. You know, we honest here. Always honest here. I have both colorways in the Patta Jordan 7. In the first original brown ones, I had in my collection for a long time. But I just couldn't find the time or the outfit to put those sneakers together. So they both is going from the grail room. But Patta redeemed themselves by 10, if you ask me, with this Air Max. We're gonna get into a in-depth review on these. It's actually two different boxes. I think I got the one that's like friends and family, or the special box, or whatever they calling it. So I'm gonna show you how the details on those. And also, not only did I get a bracelet, the sneakers, I brought the shirt. I said I'm gonna make sure this time I wear these Patta collaborations. So it comes in a Patta clear bag. I brought the shirt the same colorway as the Air Max, and it has I guess a Hawaiian theme to it. It says Patta on the front, and the back says Libby, I think, man. And what it was, $50 or something? I can't remember. The price is not on here, but yeah, I think it was $50. Yeah, great material too, by the way. Good material. Enough of that though. Let's get into the shoe. Yes, sir. Now, I didn't fact check if all the boxes look like this or if this is actually the special box, but I know it did come with a bracelet, so I'm kind of leaning towards this is the special box. So, got a couple of words here. Familiar, love for all, Patta, Nike logo. And this silver actually shines. Right here, they go to Libby. That's the shirt that it says on the shirt I just showed y'all. Patta. The silver really shines on all of it. Now, the love for all, that's special, because if you tried to win on the Patta website, which these came from, that was the answer. The question was, Patta has love for, and you had to put all. The real reason I knew that off the back was because I watched the video. And every time I watched the Patta video that they put on the website, that kept coming up. Love for all, love for all. And that's how I was able to secure the bag on these. So if you know, Patta's known for this. I think the other pair of Patta collabs I had also came with this tissue paper with the black fist. Very dope, man. And that's on both sides of the tissue paper. Now let's get into the kicks. Yes, sir. So, to be honest, as far as the Air Max 1 silhouette, it is what it is. Nothing's changed there. I mean, some people going to say, oh, they just added little waves on it. And y'all going crazy. But these waves make a lot of sense. Because from my research, if it is indeed a Hawaii theme or Honolulu or whatever, putting waves makes a lot of freaking sense, man. Like, that's just like, when you talk about collab, that's 10 out of 10. It's a little detail, but it makes perfect sense. So your toe box is in that nice gray silver mesh material. Sort of like, it looks like it lights up, you know, like a bike light. But it doesn't. But it has that look to it. Nice silver mesh toe box. And we already talked about it, but I think it's so dope we got to do it again. The wave around the toe box cuts it in. Sort of looks like them crazy Yeezy sock looking sneakers. I think they 450s. I don't remember. Not a fan. But it gives that outlook there. And this nice caramel brown color is just awesome, man. And the waves go all the way around till you get to the classic Nike Air back. And then around again. Boom. Y'all already know at Sneaker Notes what I love, and that is a mini swoosh. I love a mini swoosh. Probably why I love the Air Max one. But that mini swoosh right there is dope. We seen Sean Weatherspoon incorporate it. That's just always dope to me. A mini swoosh. And you got one on the outside of the Patta Air Max 1. So we talked about the silver toe box. As you come up, it's draped in gray shoestrings, classic Air Max style shoestrings, and you have Patta at the top on the tongue. Your insoles Patta inside. Dope classic look, man. That's a big Patta script too. Dope classic look. Your bottom, still classic Air Max 1. It reads Air. You do have the classic cream shoestrings if you want to get off the silver, but the silver just looks good to me. I could see you changing them, but I think you'll get the same look. It really ain't no different pop for me. Now, if you go get some caramel joints, I think it'll stand out more. The whole sneaker is mostly suede nubuck, opposed to the toe box. That's mesh. Now, as far as your bracelet, it's a bracelet with a couple of charms. So you have Patta there, a Nike swoosh, of course, and a flag here, and I believe that flag to be... let's fact check that one. Okay, we back. And that is the flag of Suriname. I'm not that educated in that country or region, but shout out to Suriname. I read something about they gained their independence, and so that's dope, man. So yeah, man, I really like these sneakers. Shout out to Patta, man. This was a great collab. One of the best collabs of the year. I'm still leaning towards that Bape Adidas collab, or even that the free lunch joints. That's actually a dope collab too. Very dope. As far as the Air Max 1, you know these come out in a whole bunch of colorways: red, green, blue. The only other Air Max 1 I own is the Safari Pack joints, and again, just one of my favorite sneakers, man. Like, these collabs are way different. Like, this is a wild collab. This is a more settled collab with a lot of great detail, man. So let me know if you was able to cop on Patta or the Sneakers app. I'm happy I copped on Patta because The sneakers app, man, we have a strange relationship, man. It's like they love me for a month and then they go away for 5 months. So being a sneakerhead, you got to put your footwork in. You got to know all of your raffles, all the ways to get the sneaker. You just can't rely on sneakers app. Trust me, you'll be pulling your hair out or you'll be on Twitter complaining. Shout out to Patta, man. I secured the bag. Let me know if you was able to cop. Let me know how you feel about this sneaker in general. To me, I'm on both of y'all sides. It's a basic sneaker with some detailing that made the collab work. Y'all know I'm 94% hype beast. And this is kind of on a scale of hype beast. But it's a dope sneaker, man. And I'm definitely going to rock it. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody get rich.